Once its victim is dead, the merciless hunter needs help. Even the most dominant examples will share their prey with other individuals. Usually, several crocodiles will divide the prey among them, each swallowing huge chunks, large bones and all. The evolutionary success of crocodiles began 240 million years ago. And like the crocodiles of today, lying in wait for antelope, those ancestors hunted parched dinosaurs that came to the river to drink. Perhaps their extraordinary success is due to their ecological role as a great aquatic predator, simple, flawless, and invincible. Despite their ancient appearance, crocodiles are creatures full of surprises and sophistication. They are hugely efficient hunters, as vital to all the ecosystems they inhabit now as they have been since the beginning of time. And perhaps it is this track record as an ancestral survivor that gives the crocodile its quiet assurance, secure in the knowledge that sooner or later it will return with extraordinary success to the hunt.